Some new announcements for today?
Yeah, a lot of new things going on with SE, so we'll talk about it then. So, good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. It's Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that are not keeping track of the days. We've got our SEE Awards on Wednesday and Thursday next week. So I just was looking at the panels. They look great.
Yeah, they do look very good.
Great office panel, great office and investment panel, amazing logistics panels. So we hope to see you all next week on that. Also, Thursday we got our rehearsal, which we'll film. We got a lot of interesting kind of new IR and VR and things happening with that. So that should be interesting. We'll post a few little things about that. But other than that, let's just jump right into the exciting world of Europa property commercial real estate news.
Yeah, thanks, Craig.
Welcome, Winston. Thank you for
nice to see you.
Helping us out on this again, like you do every day.
Okay, we'll start today with some news from Avison Young, and a newcomer, PAREF, has entered the Polish market. They've acquired the Man Truck and Bus Centre located near Warsaw from 7R.
Oh, great.
Yeah, and this is, according to Anne Schwartz, the managing director of PAREF, this criteria, or the investment criteria, fits exactly into what their fund is looking for. It's a recognised tenant with a long lease in an attractive location.
Excellent. Well, that's good. There's another player on the market.
Another player on the market. Yeah. And this fund was created in September 2020. And it's mainly targeting logistics and office developments in Central and Eastern Europe with a focus on Poland, Czech and Hungary.
Well, September 2020 sounds like a good time to start buying logistics.
Yeah, I think so, definitely. And moving on, and last week CTP listed their company on the EURONEXT Amsterdam.
Wow, yeah, no, I saw that. That's great news, yeah.
Yeah, and its offering has been successfully priced at €14 per share. And this means that the market capitalization of the company is €5.6 billion.
Wow, that's a lot.
That's a lot of money. And according to Remon Vos, the CEO of CTP, he's incredibly excited about this next step of the company's journey, and he's really proud to celebrate this milestone with his team. And they've been passionate about industrial and logistics for 20 years. From low cost to high tech, they drive e-commerce development, enabling cross-dock and last mile, and all their portfolio is carbon neutral now. And he puts this all down to his talented, hardworking and ambitious people at CTP.
Ah, so he's giving the credit to the team. He's
giving the credit to his team, yeah. And as you know, the company is in Czech Republic, Romania, Hungary, Slovakia, and they're growing in Serbia and Poland, Austria and Bulgaria.
Wow, so big market.
Big market, yeah, and lots of growth for them. And moving on, GTC has acquired VACI Greens D in Budapest.
Okay.
This transaction was partially financed by green bonds issued in 2020. And this building fits into the group's strategy of acquiring a portfolio of sustainable office buildings in Central and Eastern European capitals.
Sounds like a good business plan.
And this building has just over 16,000 square meters of space. And it's BREEAM certified, excellent. And and again, it's this green development ensures health and safety for tenants, and also really good for their well-being, which is very important in today's market.
Most important now is well-being.
Yeah. And according to Yovav Carmi, the president of GTC, he says, "We are continuing our strategy, offering our tenants the highest standards that now in a pandemic are needed more than ever before."
Well, that we can agree with.
Yeah. And moving on, we'll go to Romania, and CBRE has released a report on the industrial market there.
Oh, okay.
And they say that in 2021, the expected stock of industrial space is expected to reach 5.5 million square meters.
Wow, so looks like a good sector to be in.
Yeah,
it continues to be.
Yeah, and in 2020, 60% of the development that's going on right now is already pre-leased.
Wow. So
yeah, it's huge demand there.
Great opportunity for spec development, I would imagine.
Yeah. And according to their managing director in Romania, Razvan Iorgu, 2021 has all the prerequisites to be an excellent year for the industrial property market in Romania, as 2020 proved to be a record year with over 930,000 square meters traded. And so nationally at the moment there's 400,000 square meters under development, and like I said, 60% of that is already pre-leased. And they say development will be intense this year, and it's driven by the degree of vacancy, which is 8% nationally.
Wow,
right
so
now.
Pretty low.
Very good dynamics, you know, for development in that sector.
Sounds great.
And there you go.
Is that it for our?
That's the news for today, and throughout the day we'll be updating the site. You know.
Great. Well, I see we have Hubert Abt coming on to talk to us about his new project a little bit later today, and tomorrow we have Mark Toomey from Tara Consulting.
That's right.
You know, once a month he comes and wraps up kind of the stars that have moved jobs or have been hired or have started new companies. So he's got the March moves, as what he called it.
Look forward to seeing that.
Trying to take his thunder out from today. So it'd be good to see him. I think he's tomorrow. Is tomorrow the
31st,
last day?
yeah.
31st. So Mark will be in tomorrow. So we'll see that later today. We'll see another show on with Hubert Abt from New Work, and you know, talking about his Cloud 24 business, which is really 24/7 office services. You know, for the tech people, but also for the real estate people, I think goes a bit slower for them. So SEE Awards, everybody. Next week, we've got powerhouses, sponsors, participants. This is probably one of the biggest years ever that we've done, 16th annual. So definitely stay tuned for that. And that's all we both have today. So Winston, thanks for helping us out with this exciting news and these reports. And
you're welcome.
We will see you all tomorrow morning.